Are you looking for a larger new construction home located in Naples, Florida? Today we're going to look at the Heritage 5. It's one of the larger models that Neal Communities builds in SkySail. Let's go take a look. The Heritage is designed for buyers who want larger square footage, multiple guest areas, flexible living spaces, strong indoor and outdoor flow, and a home that feels substantial. This plan offers 4 or more bedrooms, 3 or more bathrooms, dedicated flex or bonus spaces, a large great room, an expansive lanai, and 2 to 3 car garage options. It's built for comfort and for hosting. The kitchen in the Heritage is truly the centerpiece. You'll see an oversized island, abundant cabinet space, a walk-in pantry, dedicated dining space, and optional gourmet kitchen upgrades. This model works beautifully for buyers who entertain frequently or have extended family visiting. In Naples, Florida, outdoor space is not optional, it's essential, and the Heritage allows for a large covered lanai, outdoor kitchen configuration, pool and spa packages, and expansive sliding glass door openings. This is where the home truly lives. The primary suite in this floor plan feels like a private wing. You can expect spacious sleeping area, dual vanities, large walk-in shower, separate water closet, an oversized walk-in closet. For buyers moving from older Naples, Florida luxury homes, this level of primary suite design is often a significant upgrade. One of the biggest advantages of the Heritage is flexibility. This plan accommodates multiple guest bedrooms, private office space, media or bonus room options, potential multi-generational living arrangements. So if you host grandchildren, extended family, or seasonal guests, this model supports that lifestyle. When you walk into this new home, the openness stands out immediately. You'll have a wide foyer entry, expansive great room, large glass sliders to the lanai, strong ceiling height presence. This is a layout that feels elevated, not tight or segmented. This floor plan is perfect for buyers upsizing within SkySail, for families who host regularly, for snowbirds with extended stays, or for buyers moving from estate communities who want new construction, or anyone who wants large square footage without going fully custom. It offers estate-level presence inside a master-planned lifestyle community. A lot of my clients are telling me that they're coming from beautiful but aging luxury homes, and they want modern floor plans, smart home integration, energy efficiency, impact glass, updated materials, and zero renovation projects. The Heritage gives you scale without the remodel headaches. So if you think this beautiful Heritage model fits your lifestyle, or you would like to compare it to other models in SkySail to see which one is best for you, contact me, Chris Alley, certified luxury home specialist in Naples since the year 2000. People like you contact me each and every day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.